Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is Thursday and I actually have no classes on Tuesdays and Thursdays. There are a few things I want to get done today, like washing my car. I do want to unbox a few things for you guys as well. But besides all those things, like I don't have a whole bunch of things that I'm definitely going to do. I'm just going to kind of go with the flow. I figured it was a fun day. I'd bring you guys along. If you're new here, please make sure to subscribe down below and turn on your post notifications as well. So without further ado, let's continue on with today's vlog. I also just finished doing my makeup and I honestly have a handful of new makeup products that I haven't shown you guys. I know this Charlotte Tilbury foundation was one that I got on my birthday. They also finally had the Charlotte Tilbury like Pillow Talk little sample size stocked. I did pick it up and it came with the lip liner. Honestly, I like it. It definitely is more pinky on my skin tone. Like I wish it was a little bit more nude, but I still really like it. I think it's a really good shade for the spring. Right now I've also been using like this new sunscreen that I got from First Aid Beauty, and honestly I really like it. So yeah, just like things like that. If you guys want to see like some type of like makeup something, let me know down below in the comment section like what type of video you'd want to see. I just really have a lot to say about these new makeup products that I've been trying. Like I really want to put you guys on some. Also, okay, this isn't sponsored or anything like that. Like they just sent me these products for me to like try out. Bonza, which is actually a brand like I found out of because my friend Gloria, she actually transferred to UGA, but I met her like in my old college. One night we basically made dinner and we made pasta, and it was actually this one that we made, and I remember her telling me that these were made out of chickpeas, so these are actually like healthier than normal pasta. It kind of like compares average pasta to like Bonza. They decided to send me this package. It's literally huge, you guys. This is one of the best PR packages like I've ever gotten, and once again, not sponsored. Like they didn't tell me I had to post anything about them. They just were so kind enough to like send me these. I got some penne, I got some cavatappi. I really hope I'm not saying these wrong. I got some rotini, and I've never made these two. The only one I made was with her, and it was this one. Not only did they send me these pastas, but they also sent me some pizzas, and I think I'm actually gonna make one for lunch, so I'll show you guys that in a little bit. Pizza and pasta nightly. Oh, it has recipes. I didn't even know that. The pizzas literally looked so good. I'm gonna pop one in the oven. Oh my god, this looks like the cup I just got from Hobby Lobby that I'm going to show you guys in a little bit. But yeah, I don't know, like this is just so sweet. Like this literally made my day yesterday. Like you guys have no idea, and I don't even know what this is. Excuse the background mess. I have like other packages from like Amazon, but I really want to see what this is because it caught my eye. It says pizza night every night. This is actually cute. Like I love the colors and like this beigey linen type of material, and then it has like a picture of a pizza. I'm actually gonna go ahead and show you guys the pizzas that I got before I forget to. It looks like this is a margarita pizza, a roasted veggie, 4 cheese, and the pizza crust. Oh, so I guess I can make my own pizza. I didn't even realize that, but these look so good though, you guys. And once again, like they're made from chickpeas. When I make one later, I'll let you guys know how I like them because I've never tried out their pizzas, only their pastas.
So they came out with a new drone, and it's called an FPV drone. So it's small, like it literally fits in your hand. And it's a racer drone. Like it goes like super fast, and you can do like backflips and tricks with it. And you need to wear, look, I'll show you.
Oh,
you have to wear like these goggles.
You don't need a new drone.
Look.
You don't need
the goggles. You wear the goggles and you fly the drone, and it's like you're a bird flying in the air. Baby, I'm gonna look like
no, you're gonna look weird.
Oh my god.
I'm also just gonna go ahead and show you guys what I picked up at freaking Hobby Lobby the other day. I just randomly walked in because Andres needed something for him. I don't know what got into me, and we walked into this Hobby Lobby that we've never been to before. And literally look how cute these glasses are. I picked up 2 of them. I'm obsessed. I feel like I've seen this style a lot on Pinterest. It just reminds me of something that like Urban Outfitters would carry, and it's like $9. I think these would be good little like water cups or like for visitors, like if they need some water or whatever. I'm pretty sure I've announced this, but I am moving out this summer, so I'm gonna take these with me. I'm not really gonna use them until I move out because I want to use them over there, but these are just so cute, you guys. Go to Hobby Lobby and grab yourself one of these. Like, they had green ones. And then this next item, I really didn't need this at all, but you guys, it was on sale for $12. And honestly, it was probably less because my total for everything was like 20, so they gave me some type of discount. I just don't know what it was, but this is a Lips neon LED wall light. I've seen this once again all over Pinterest, and this is kind of what it's gonna look like. Like, I love anything pink. Like, pink is my favorite color, so I'm honestly so excited to see how this works. But once again, I'm gonna wait and unbox this like in my apartment. I just had to show you guys these. I'm gonna most likely include these in like a video this summer. You guys will probably see these again in another video, but if you're watching this vlog, then you get the inside scoop because I just told you guys. This is pretty much what I wanted to unbox for you guys. I'm gonna clean up this mess a little bit and also my desk area where I did my makeup. And then we're gonna have lunch and probably make one of the Bonza pizzas because those looked really good. We decided that we're gonna make 2 pizzas and then split them in half so we could each have 2 different like flavors. We're definitely gonna do the 4 cheese pizza. I feel like it's a classic. It looks really good, and this is kind of like the size. This is what the setup looks like, and we're currently preheating the oven to 400 degrees. We're gonna pop these in there. I'm so excited. Like, I love pizza, so I could tell this one is gonna be my favorite. I also forgot I put my laundry in because I had to do some laundry this morning, so I'm gonna go ahead and pop it in the dryer. This is the final result, so I tried cutting it in half as best as I could.
We're about to eat these, we're about to eat good, and we're about to watch some Rick and Morty.
I like how you're just carrying the knife like that.
This one is for me. This one is for you.
Oh my god!
Alright, next up.
Oh, that looks good actually, like 2 different types. Red pepper, yeah. I recently got some at Kroger.
The peppers is really good.
What? I remember wrong. Listen, Jerry. Says you go take a dump.
We just had the pizza. It was honestly really good, you guys. Anyways, now we're gonna go wash my car because it really needs to be vacuumed. It needs to be dusted. So Andres is gonna come help me because it just makes things a whole lot faster.
How cuddly with my baby. Go! Ready? Wait. 3, 2, 1, go!
She barely ran. So I'm back home now. Andres actually went to go get something done, and in the meantime I'm actually gonna go ahead and put away my laundry because it already washed and dried and all that. Andres and I are actually gonna go kind of sort of hiking. He wants to check out Arabia Mountain, which is in Georgia. I'm just gonna sort of tag along with him because I've never been there before and I do want to see what it's like. I also do want to wear this hat that I got from Aloe because honestly I haven't really worn it that much. I'll keep you guys updated in a little bit. Okay, so we made it, you guys. There's these little Pedals. But yeah, I'm scared I'm gonna fall because when it comes to stuff like this, like I'm really clumsy. Who brings Yeezys?
They're my comfiest shoes.
I brought my feelers, you guys.
If I wear any other shoe, I get blisters.